Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write an essay on the very important topic mobile phone. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line is mobile phone is an electronic device. Second line is it has become an integral part of modern India. Third line is it is being used by billions of people around the world. Fourth line is it is convenient and portable. Fifth line is it allows people to stay connected while on the go. Next line is it has transformed the way people communicate and access information. Seventh line is it is used for a wide range of activities including browsing the internet, taking photos and videos, and playing games. Eighth line is It is also used for mobile banking and online shopping, allowing people to conduct transactions virtually. Ninth line is excessive use of mobile phones has adverse negative effects. Last line, that is line number 10, is we should wisely monitor our screen time and save ourselves from addiction to mobile phones.